Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing ingredients and tools so you can move immediately into action. Crush a peeled garlic clove with a pinch of salt to make a paste. You want friction to break fibers. Once you have a smooth garlic mash, add toasted pine nuts and grind them into the paste. Make sure to work in short bursts so oils release. The mortar transfers flavor better than a blender. Keep cheese nearby. You'll fold it in soon. Once the nut garlic base is ready, you add basil a handful at a time, pressing and turning leaves against the mortar wall so flavor and color release evenly. As you grind, slowly add olive oil. This creates an emulsion that lifts the paste into a saucy pesto. After you've incorporated all leaves, fold in grated cheese and taste. If it's flat, add a squeeze of lemon. If too oily, grind more leaves to absorb. You finish by tasting and adjusting. If the pesto seems dry, stir in small amounts of oil. If too thick, add a teaspoon of cold water to loosen. Transfer to a serving bowl and press a thin film of oil on top to protect color before refrigerating. If the texture is gritty or bitter, grind a bit more to smooth it, or incorporate a touch more cheese or lemon to balance flavors. Alternatively, freeze portions for later use to preserve freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.